Kawai kalong ieng kalamat ika jingdo ka bakraw, hadien baka ieng ka bagishong kisa kala syabam shingam hakading, kablaklang jorbha, hakas nong Sohmynting, West Giant Hills District, hakakat Southrik nailur. Kani ka ieng kadai ka badai try daga kong sebu pertu. Layat hu baka ni kala jia hakapor kumba architeng la nilai baje no pais ngi AA, bala suba jor baka jing Pluh kani ka ieng kadai nakadaw ka jing thut jong ka boarding. Kading kabalaklang jor kala bam do yak jingdon jingem bat kala depe. Haka ni ka jingjia om dan ka no kuno ka jingjia ka bas ngosi ni ka jiman sawi ki brio.
Bút này cái nhà.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.